Peace, family. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time here, I want to say go ahead and click that subscribe button because you're going to like what you see, okay, here on this channel. My name is Angela, but people do call me Gigi, and I am a health and wellness professional and a fitness instructor. I teach multiple dance fitness formats. I have a studio. It's a dance therapy studio that I opened up. And, this channel, you'll find some dance fitness, you'll find some dance therapy, and you'll find some health and wellness videos that have to do with mind, body, and spirit. So definitely engage, comment, and stay active with me. I like to get to know you and just kind of see what you think about certain things. So this quarantine has gotten us out of our alignment, right? It's gotten us out of alignment. It's gotten us to doing things and being in the house, right? And what do you do when you're in the house, right? You tend to snack, you tend to eat, and you're not really consciously thinking of it, but maybe it's just because it's something to do. But I can only speak for myself, and I can only say that that's what I've been doing, okay? I've been in the house with the kids. We've been eating. We've been just enjoying each other's company and kind of just staying sane in the moment. But one thing is that I still must maintain my level of fitness. I still must maintain my level of health and wellness. And a way to do that is by keeping my digestion cleansed, my digestive system nice and cleansed, and maintaining and working properly so that, I don't get sick, so that things don't just sit in my body and the toxins don't spread out in my body, because this is right now is the perfect time for us to stay at optimal health. So that's why today I'm going to be doing this unboxing from a company called Tava Lifestyle. And they're a health and wellness company, but they specialize in these detox teas. Now, I don't know if you ever tried a detox tea, but what a detox tea does is you just drink it, it flushes out your system, and so that you can replenish it with the good nutrients and things like that. But what I really like about this company is the fact that not only that, they give you the tea, but they also give you products. They also offer products that help replenish those lost nutrients in your body, and that will give you sustained and lasting energy that you need to get through the day. And when you have a cleansed body, that means you also have a cleansed mind. You can think clearly. And if you don't know, serotonin, which is a mood neurotransmitter within our bodies, is actually located in the gut. So they say a healthy gut is a happy gut. So if you're taking care of your digestive system, then you're happier, you feel good, you feel better. And that is definitely what we need in this time. I know I do, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is show you this tea. So I open up the box right here. And this is it's called Tava Detox tea right here. And what they are, as I open the package, oh, I'm excited. Because I've tried these before. I had a sample and it was really good, and I just knew I had to have more. And so they come with these little samples like this, and they're so easy to use. You just put them in a water, you shake them up, and you drink them. And I would definitely try this when I don't have anywhere to go the next day. So if you're still out there doing work and you have places to go, you still go grocery shopping and all of that stuff, and you still got runs to make, I don't recommend doing this on a day that you're going to be very busy and active. I recommend that you're going to do it on the night before you're kind of just just resting and kind of just laying low for that morning. Not to say you're going to be using the bathroom all day, but you're definitely going to have to give your body some time because it is going to cleanse you, definitely. And so what the Tava Detox tea is, and I'm reading it from here, is it's a cleanse your body of everyday impurities and allow you to feel your best self, okay? So it's infused with all kind of things, including senna. And what the senna is what stimulates the digestive system to get the waste moving out of your body. And what you're going to do, it's going to increase your energy, it's going to promote weight loss, it's going to get rid of that gut, it's going to do all of that. And so definitely try this tea. But I got another box. It feels like Christmas, I know, right? Don't be going all crazy, you know, with your money buying unnecessary things. Buy things that are actually going to help you and enhance you, okay, in this time. So the next thing, as you see, I'm excited. This is going to be a quick video. I just want to show y'all these. But like I said, I'm going to give y'all all the information on how you can purchase these products and how you can try them for yourself as well. So make sure that you stay tuned to the end. And there will be some giveaways, so make sure you pay attention for further updates. Okay, so the next one I have is called Valet 30. So the Valet 30 is actually a liquid vitamin extract. So let me put it up here. It's a liquid vitamin extract. So what that means for you is that when you're done, all right, when you go through your detox and you decide to cleanse your body, it's going to rid yourself of the bad nutrients, but it's also going to rid yourself of some good nutrients, of the good nutrients. So what you're going to want to do is replace that. So when you detox, don't go to McDonald's right after and talk about, I need to fill my body. Don't do that, because that's bad nutrients. When we detox, that means we got to go put something better in our body. So we're going to detox, and then we're going to replenish our body with some nice, good vitamins. Great vitamins for ourselves. And what this is going to do, it has like green tea extract. It has potent source of vitamin A, antioxidant blend, CoQ10. It has so many things. It gives you a dose of glucosamine, your vitamin D, and some of your B vitamins as well. So you're going to be replenishing like really well with this. I love it. I'm excited. So your heart is going to help with the heart health. It's going to help with eye health. It's going to help with your overall energy. You're also getting your antioxidant blends, which are also good enzymes for digestion that you're getting into your body. You're getting some electrolytes in here. I mean, you're getting all kind of things. This is like an amazing thing right here. So I cannot wait to try it. I hope y'all see how hyped I'm feeling right now, okay? Then the third and final product that we get from Tava is called our Vita Plus Energy, okay? Now this is what got me. This is what got me super excited. Actually, all of it got me super excited, but this is what really put me on that over the hump when it came to trying these products. And this is the Vita Plus Energy Booster. And what it does is infused with lots of B vitamins. So you're getting a lot of your B vitamins. You're getting your B1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 12. Because if you don't really understand B complex vitamins, taking them all together synergistically is going to have a better effect than isolating just one B vitamin. So some people just choose biotin or, for the hair. Or some people just choose B12 for energy, not realizing that they actually all work together synergistically. So you're actually going to want a B complex that's going to give you the sustainable cellular energy that you're looking for, okay? And that is what this has. And it has a proprietary blend of many things, but what's also pretty cool about this is that it's going to give you probiotics. What? Okay. So I cleanse my body, I replenish my body with the nutrients I need, and I'm getting the good bacteria back into my body. This is optimal health right here, and I am so excited to be using this. I mean, I am super hyped right now. And you're getting your selenium and chromium, which are essential minerals that your body needs for your bone health, muscular health. Y'all, this is the time to get better. This is the time for us to be at our best selves. This is the time right here, right now, for us to really start considering how we take care of our bodies, because we don't want to come up out of this situation, worse than what we were. So therefore, this is the time where we have to start realizing that health is wealth, okay? Health is wealth. You can have all the money in the world, but if you ain't healthy, you're going to be affected by the things of this world, in this world, right? Of this world. You're going to be affected by all the viruses going on. But if you just cleanse, darling, if you you just take care of your body, your immune system is going to be boosted, and therefore it's going to fight off all of those things that is not good for you. And the reason why I like supplements, and I'm almost done, the reason why I like supplements is because a lot of foods, which I don't say don't get a lot of good whole foods, but supplements supplement your diet. So therefore, to add these to a health and wellness diet of just good fruits, grains, good fatty acids and things like that, you're going to want to supplement, because a lot of the foods that are grown nowadays are not really grown in the best soil, or they've been packaged and processed but being shipped and everything, and they lose a lot of their nutrients. So therefore, we have to replenish those nutrients by having a good quality supplements to go into our bodies with it. So I am looking forward to sharing with you the results that I get from using this. So just give me a couple days and I will do an updated video for you, letting you know how I feel and my results. And you're gonna sense it from the energy, because I'm gonna start putting out more of those dance videos, and you're really gonna see the energy change from that. And I'm just feeling energy just by holding the box. So that already tells you something about this company. But if you want to check it out more for yourself, go to the link below and just check them out. You can read about them and just kind of get familiar with everything. So like I said, it's time to really start taking care of our bodies. And I'm going to do a video also on why it's important to detox and what it does for our bodies internally, more in depth for you as well, so that you can get a better understanding if you do not have one already. But that is all I have for today. Make sure you check out my other videos. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. Stick to that next video. When I come back and I tell you about the results, I will be doing some giveaways. So if you want to win some free samples, stay tuned. And I'll talk to you soon. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and hit like. And I will talk to you later. It's the G.com.